1981 Trans Am rear sway bar bushings replacement. What can be done and what can't be done? Well, everything can be done. You don't even have to jack up the car to access the nuts and bolts that hold everything in place. The first thing you want to do is use PB Blaster a couple of days in advance on the nuts and bolts and let it soak. Then when you come back, you start by removing this, the nut and bolt that's holding this thing in place. It also has a washer. Then you drop this down, and then you come down to the bushing at this point as a bracket, nut and a bolt. This one you don't have to hold it from the top. You just remove this nut and it will come out. There's one here and there's one on the back side. Take that off and this thing will just drop down, okay, as you can see. And you just do the same thing on that side and remove this thing as one assembly with the end links attached, and you can work on removing the bushing there, this bushing, that one, okay. Always leave one of these nuts on, and then when you remove it slowly so this doesn't drop down on you, the sway bar. So leave one on, the front one, and then remove this and then slowly lower that, and that completes it.